Hey everyone, if you're into print on demand, you know the struggle. Generating unique designs, removing backgrounds, converting them to the right format, writing product descriptions. It takes forever and it costs a fortune when you're using multiple tools. What if you could do all of this from one place right inside your Discord for just pennies per images? That's exactly why I built PODgram.ai, your all-in-one AI design assistant living right in your Discord server. Let me show you how it works. I'll start by typing /imagine and give this a prompt. Then configure my request. In this case, I just want 2 images. I'll select that. And once ready, click on generate images. And voila, images are ready and the text is exactly how I want it. Now here's where it gets powerful. I can make more requests on top of this image. In this case, for example, I'm clicking edit and I'll put a hat on top of the crocodile. And just like that, it puts the hat on the crocodile. Next, I can remove the background of this image. And there we have it. The remove background has worked. Next, I can analyze this image to see whether or not there's a copyright issue or what product title, product description, or what tags I should be using to get the best SEO on my product. And lastly, if I want to scale it up into a vector image, I click Vectorize and it gives me a SVG file. So just like that, my print on demand design is ready and I can ship this. And here's the best part. You're not limited to AI generated images. You can upload your own designs and use the same tools on them. Now, about the pricing. There's no subscription here. It's pure pay as you go with a credit system. Each action costs just a few cents and you are only charged what you use. No monthly fees eating into your profits. And if you have any questions or want to share what you are creating, we have got an active Discord community ready to help. Here's what I want you to do. Install the PODgram.ai Discord app. You'll get $2 in the starting credit to experiment with. Try it out. See what you can create and then join our community server. Introduce yourself, share your work, and most importantly, tell us what features you would like to see next. You have the chance to be one of the first users shaping the tool's future. Let's build something amazing together.